Today, RCV Roofing and Bone Dry are putting on a free roof for us. I got picked as a veteran to get a free roof, and my son, Ronnie Tucker, nominated me for it.
The reason why I did this is I think my mom is one of the people who deserves it. She's never asked for anything after she got out of the military. This is one of the few things that I can provide as her son, especially working for this amazing company, that I could do for her. So that's what it all came down to in the end, was just helping out my mom and giving back to her like she gave back to our country every single day.
We've had it looked at to fix it on places where it's leaked really bad, and they've come in and we've paid them thousands of dollars to fix it, and it wasn't fixed. This is really a blessing to get it done and have it done right.